Hey everyone, y'all are GrayManPrepping. Got a prepper pantry haul to go over with you and a bonus as well. So let's get at it. All right, so on Saturday, I went to the local chain grocery store here in Idaho, and that's called Brolem's. And every spring and every fall, they have a case sale. Help people get their food supply up. So the staff sergeant asked me to go get a couple of cases of diced tomatoes, since we use that a lot, and probably gonna be taking one to her this sometime in May. But so here's what I paid for these things here. So on these I wound up paying, after all the discount, was $1.58 a can. And let me see if I bring this up here. And if I get it to focus here. It's kind of hard. Come on, focus. They flickers in and out the prices. So it's $9, and I don't have my glasses on, some odd cents savings on it for each of the two cases. These are wrapped cases. And then on the tuna, the grandsons are asking me to fix tuna for them. And so this was 69 cents a can after savings. And it was, savings was $4.80, 48 cents, so 10 cents a can savings on that. Then as a bonus, my daughter had bought some stuff before, and the boys weren't wanting to eat it over there, but they ate some over here, and so she brought the cases over, and I want it right now, and they just clamoring to have the Chef Boyardee here at Grandpa's, but they won't eat it at home. And then they were asking about the soup, the different soups and stuff too. So she brought that over here, and hopefully the boys will be good to the word and start eating this stuff here. That way, we're not wasting food or anything. But yeah, so kind of a supply bonus here for the Prepper Pantry. And just want to remind you to get out there and add everything you can to your food supply. Remember, water is most important, food, medicine, clothing. Learn a new skill every month and try to grow something indoors as well. All right? Okay, take care, and I will see you around.